Looking for a powerful, eco-friendly way to light up your backyard, driveway, or entryway? In this review, we take a close look at the Feit Electric Outdoor LED Triple-Head Solar Security Floodlight. This unit boasts 3,000 lumens of bright 5000K daylight, making it one of the brightest solar floodlights on the market. First, let's talk about installation. Since it's fully solar-powered, there's absolutely no hardwiring needed. You simply mount the light in a sunny spot, angle the large 10.5-inch solar panel to capture maximum sunlight, and you're done. It took me under 30 minutes to install, and the included hardware works well on wood, brick, or siding. The triple head design is a standout feature. Each head can be adjusted independently, so you can aim light exactly where you need it, whether that's covering a wide driveway or focusing on a specific door or gate. The motion sensor is highly responsive, detecting movement up to about 30 feet away. When triggered, the lights turn on at full brightness and stay on for about 30 seconds. Combined with the Dusk-to-Dawn sensor, the light automatically switches on at night and off during the day, conserving battery. Now about brightness. 3,000 lumens is no joke. It easily lights up a large 2-car driveway and the surrounding yard. The 5000K daylight color temperature is crisp and clear, providing excellent visibility. Battery life depends on sunlight exposure. On a sunny day, the panel fully charges the battery, and the light runs all night on motion-activated mode. However, during cloudy or short winter days, you may notice it dims earlier or doesn't reach full brightness. For best results, install the panel where it gets direct sun for at least 6 hours. Durability is solid. The housing is weather-resistant with an IP65 rating, meaning it can handle rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. The LEDs are rated for 50,000 hours, so you won't need to replace bulbs anytime soon. And Feit backs it with a 5-year warranty, which offers peace of mind. In terms of cons, the solar panel is tethered by a wire, so you need to mount the panel separately from the light heads. Some users may prefer an all-in-one unit. Also, the motion sensor has a slight delay, about 1 second, before the lights turn on. Not a deal breaker, but noticeable. Overall, the Feit Electric Triple-Head Solar Floodlight is an excellent choice for anyone wanting bright, reliable, security lighting without electric bills or complicated wiring. For the price, you get great performance and adjustability. I highly recommend it for driveways, backyards, and entryways. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more product reviews.